My name is Daniel Phillips. I'm 23 years old and I'm currently studying the HND Sports and Exercise Science. I was a bit nervous to start with, but when the lecturer spoke to us and the course tutor sat us down just to discuss the course, everything seemed to settle down. And when we started, it was good. Experience was good. I think the lecturers play a main part. I think that they're always approachable and you can always ask them, like, how do I do this or how do I do that? So they're always there to give guidance and support. I hope to go on to the third year, which is a top-up year in Carmarthen, and then that will enable me to qualify in personal training and fitness instruction. The course it's providing me with all the information I need to carry on outside of this, and then when I do graduate to enable me to qualify in that area. I was working in Morriston Hospital, so that was just as an admin assistant during the pandemic. I think that came to an end in August, and yeah, this is slightly different path to what I was doing there, but this is my main area of interest. I've always been interested in like the sport and fitness industry, and I decided that that was the area I wanted to pursue in the future. Well, I'd say that anyone who's looking to study here or come here in the future and you've got an interest in the sport and exercise sort of area, then it's a must. I think the lecturers are very good at what they do, and the facilities here as well will help you.